Hi! So today we'll be reacting to Blackpink as if it's your last music video. Actually, na-react kami kanina nga na nawag, so na-off. So karon mo balik mag-react. Kaja! Bapo ang hair ni Lisa, bagay sa iya hair. Si Jenny, Judbay.
She's so pretty!
Bagay sa iya yung hair. Wala lang sabi yung hair color, no?
As in, nahit naman ko Jud. Nayusan. Oh my God.
Nalino ako pala hipo eh. Oh my God.
Masaya na Jud. Wow! Siya na ang rapper.
May sexy siya. Wapa.
Okay na naman siya.
Di lang ko musik video.
Uy, nana ko yung nana. Gane.
Blackpink yung area.
Suya lang ko yung sana mga ganito.
Mahal ilang music video. Cute na cute lang.
Oh, si Lisa lang.
Na murasig na mayat siya, sawa?
Sayang hair.
Ay, flat yung hair lang.
Ay, nice!
So, that was Blackpink. As if it's your last. As usual, it's perfect. They're all beautiful.
We would like to thank our
gorgeous.
sponsors.
So, expected na mag number 1 na po siya. Bye-bye!